Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I was getting into Cricut to look at something else, but Cricut has a lot of updates right now. I don't know if this is just me getting into my Cricut late or what, but one of the things I was actually trying to show you guys and had an issue with my video is the edge scaling. I thought that was pretty dope. So usually we have to move our images by using a little box in the corner and just sliding it up and down. It pretty much scaled it like a square shape. Now you can move the top and size of the object to be able to change your sizing. And I see something else here about bounding box control. This looks like it's specific to really tiny objects. To be able to move them and change them. So I'm going to have to play with this a little bit to see exactly what it's talking about. I also see down here they're talking about doing more with your collections, saving your inspiration. So they've enhanced their bookmarks. You can bookmark by smashing an icon. You'll automatically get prompted to add it to a collection so you can find it easily later. Now that's pretty cool because I know when I go on my projects I have some things sorted out into folders for myself. They have an improved font picker, so that's good because I know sometimes people have issues with fonts, and it looks like they have a new way to search them, so Elegant Sci-Fi Party, so that you can pick through your fonts better. Video and home. You can, with Cricut video titles on your home screen. Okay, so you can start watching them from there. New fonts featured on your home screen. Okay. So they're just making everything easily searchable for us now, is what it looks like. They're also, okay, so editable images. Ever wish you could change a few words in an image or even a color? So now they're allowing you to personalize images and change things up. That's pretty cool. I think a lot of people were doing some of these things anyway, but they were doing it in a more difficult way by clicking and slicing and doing things like that. So Cricut is trying to make it more convenient for you to do these. Again, links for images. That's something that I really wanted to look into because I know in the past you could sell items on Cricut. Now I notice you can share your project, but I'm not seeing anything to be able to sell. So I'm going to look more into this because I'm curious about some of these links and sharing and things like that, some of the updates with that. Alright, so this is showing you the updates on how to get to their links and supplies. App bug improvements. I mean, people are always complaining about Design Space shutting down and having issues. So anytime they can improve the app is pretty amazing. Reversible combinations, layers panels, member profiles. I know I updated some things to my profile, but you guys can see there is a lot that they have improved. Now, it's 8:30 in the morning. I'm off today. So I just got on here a few minutes ago and there was one update. 5 minutes later, maybe it's all of this. So I'm not going to go through every single thing because honestly, this wasn't what I got on here for. I wanted to do something else. But I can't believe the number of updates that are here. I'm looking at several different sections, but I don't know how many subsections within each section. So it starts at 6.2 as an update, and then it goes up to 7.27. So that's how many updates they have right now. And again, you see all the subsections within each section. So that's pretty crazy. Okay, so I've gone through and counted, and Cricut has 60 new updates from what I'm seeing on my screen. So go through, check these out, and see how this helps you. Some of these things could be really helpful to you. Some of these things might not be things that you touch at all, so it might not be helpful at all to you. But go in, check them out, and always check your updates to see what's new. But that's pretty dope. I see something here about iOS. Make your designs pop with a new layer that replicates a shape, text, or object. So this is an offset update. So again, that's pretty dope. But go in, check it out, see what Cricut has new. Because each time I scroll down, I am finding something amazing. The card sizes, security. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a great day.